to help me choose which of these two I need to pick. Hi everyone, and welcome or welcome back. If you are new around here, my name is May, and today we have a little bit of an unexpected unboxing just because I thought I was over this topic, but here we are again. If you have caught my past couple of videos, I have been driving you guys crazy about these shoes and the fact that I am on the hunt to find the perfect bag for the shoes. And honestly, it's not just about the shoes. Like, I do feel after I was gifted my Kuyana small system tote bag in this really light gray shade, I realized how a cream color or a very light color handbag definitely has a spot in my current handbag collection because I don't own anything where I can take it very easily from day to night, especially in a shade like this. I feel like I built a good handbag collection so far, but there are certain pieces that I don't want to have in the same color for a day piece and then have another option for night. I like to maybe search for one that can really check off both boxes. So for that reason, for this particular color, I actually wanted to find the perfect shade in order to pair with these shoes whenever I do choose to wear them, but at the same time be a good shade where I can pair them with other looks and just other colors in my wardrobe and it still makes sense and it still works. So that leads me to coming to you guys and asking for your help. I recently unboxed the Lana 19. I just think this is the cutest little piece. I was obsessed with the style as soon as I saw it. I really liked just the construction of it. I did a full kind of like unboxing video. I'll leave it linked down below because I don't want to go too crazy into it as I already did. And honestly, I was like, perfect. It's the winner. Like, it is a very sort of casual style, but I do think that it's a very timeless style as well. I love a good top handle option. And I was pretty convinced that it was a good match for the shoes. The tones are a little bit off. This definitely pulls a little bit more of like white undertones, while the shoes definitely have like a little bit of an ivory sort of beige undertone. But I was like, close enough, it's gonna work, we're good to go. I kind of started playing around with some looks, and I did feel like for night times or just kind of like maybe dressier events, maybe this wasn't checking off the vibe or the look that I particularly wanted it to. But again, I was complacent. I think that's the word. I was sort of like, okay, it could work. You know, I'm not gonna find the perfect bag. Guys. So, as I'm always doing, maybe like 18 hours out of the day, totally kidding by the way, I was looking online and I was looking at bags and I came across this color from a brand that I absolutely love, and that is none other than Strathberry. Now, as I always say in like a lot of my videos and just sometimes when I get questions, there are certain styles, there are certain colors, there are certain silhouettes that I don't think splurging on is the way that I want to go about it. So depending on how often I'm going to use it, depending on the color, on the style, I pick and choose my battles basically. And Strathberry is one of those brands that you definitely get that luxe feel from all of their pieces, and you don't have to go into the $1,000 price mark in order to add one of their pieces. Better yet, they just had their Black Friday sales and they were having 25% off site-wide, which already was a huge savings. But then throughout, I think like the week of Black Friday and then also through Cyber Monday, they had certain days where they either had certain collections, certain colors, certain styles that were like at an additional sort of percentage off. So this one here was actually 30% off. It is a style that I have been eyeing, so there's a little bit of backstory, but I'm trying to get through everything and not make this video too long. I go in that night, I look at it, I'm like, okay, it wasn't that off from the Coach, because again, I didn't want to spend too much money. I had already bought other things for Black Friday. The Coach was $295 and this one was gonna end up being like $460, so like $100 and something more, but again, nothing too crazy. So I was like, okay, I could justify that. But I was like, okay, let me think about it a little bit more. I closed out the tab, went to sleep. Next morning, I wake up and I get an email that this particular line has 30% off, where the night before it only had 25. So that was my sign. And I was like, okay, let's do it. So I have her upside down. This is what we have gotten. I love that Strathberry bags actually come with like an additional tote bag. Isn't that the cutest? So if you don't own any Strathberry pieces, their pieces are actually also, you know, handmade. Like they have finishing handmade touches to their pieces. And I just think that that speaks volume, especially for a brand that, again, I don't think they have any bag that is over $800. I mean, I definitely don't think they have any bags that go into the thousands. Again, really a brand that I have grown to love. With all that being said, have I talked enough? We have the dun, 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 mini tote in the color oat. Oh my god, I already saw it, so it's not a full like first review because I did a short form video first, but guys, it is beautiful. Okay, so it did come with a little felt that actually covered this bar here. I took that off, but just wanted to mention it because the packaging honestly is very, very nice. Okay, so let me get my excitement under control because I feel like you guys are gonna end up helping me out, but I feel like I know which route I'm leaning towards. So we have the mini tote. This is in the color oat. So they have two light shades. They have a vanilla, which again, I feel will be very similar to the Coach, and I'm gonna compare them both side by side. But then they have this one, which I don't know if you guys will be able to see. I'm sure you definitely can, but it definitely pulls a little bit more of like a light beige, like a very ivory shade. And I think that this is exactly what I want to go for. I'm wearing brown today, and there is a reason for that because I kind of wanted to see how it'll pick up next to brown. And I just think that this color is absolutely stunning. So basically like the idea or like the main piece of this bag is that you do have this beautiful Strathberry music bar that they're known for. That is like their signature sort of like detail for their bags. It is wrapped with plastic here. Let me go ahead and remove it. Yeah, so it does have a little bit of plastic here wrapped. The glazing, I mean, I did take like a really quick look over it, but now that I'm here, let me just review. Okay, so you do have the bar there. And then the way that you open up the bag is you pull on this bar and then you kind of like undo the top handle. I need you guys' like just recommendations and feedback and everything if you do own this particular piece. How has your top handle worn? Because that is something that I love because it's very different. Like you know, it's not something that you see often in other handbag designs. But I won't lie, it is something that semi-worries me just because, you know, having to like fold the leather so much, I wonder how that's gonna wear. But then again, this isn't going to be a bag that I know I will grab on the daily. So I don't think that it'll wear too bad over time, but I definitely wanna hear your thoughts. So as you can see, that kind of bar just drops here. And then now you have one single top handle, which I also think is a really cool and unique design of this piece. It does come with, just like the Coach, with a chain strap, and the chain strap actually has a leather kind of like shoulder rest, which I appreciate in case you do want to wear this on your shoulder. Not gonna be the way I'm gonna be styling this bag, but again, I always say it, just because I won't be using it that way, I do appreciate that handbag brands think through to add other ways in order to incorporate, you know, the specific handbag. So again, you have a magnetic sort of closure there, and then as you can see, you do have one slip pocket here. That's basically just a quick little look of what the bag looks like, and then as you close it, you obviously bring the bar over. And that's something that I just wanted to like double check because I want to make sure that it is, you know, straight. I felt like the felt was kind of like throwing it off, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Guys, I think this bag is perfect. Again, let me bring up the shoes just so you guys can see. This is what it looks like next to the shoes. And I know that I had mentioned with the Coach, because it was something that I said, I was like, oh, you know, the shoes are going to be obviously on your feet and then you're just holding onto the bag. So it doesn't have to be exact. But I mean, if I can find the exact match, then I just think that that definitely wins. So again, now that I'm bringing this one, I feel like you can definitely tell the difference off of these two. But I do feel like these two pair nicer. You guys are gonna have to let me know. I really, really need your help on this. Again, I really like both styles. I feel like both will be great additions into my handbag collection because I don't have anything in these colors. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I don't want this video to be too long of me like whining about what the heck to do, but let me go ahead and bring them up close here. So you can see the Coach one definitely pulls a lot more white than the oat color from Strathberry. And I do think that this one is gonna hold a little bit more than the Coach one. I don't wanna like do too much to it because again, I'm still kind of deciding. So yeah, I do think that this one will definitely hold a little bit more, but this Lana one is so cute. Like I would definitely consider adding a different color of the Lana if I choose to go this way, just because I really like the design of this one. I don't think it's gonna be now because I honestly shouldn't be spending any more money on handbags, but yeah. Okay guys, so I think that does it for this kind of very quick unboxing video. I didn't want to get into too much detail because again, the point of this video is to help me choose which of these two I need to pick. I feel like I've been at this for quite some time now. I did mention that I have my brother and my sister-in-law's like official wedding ceremony coming up in March. So I thought that this color would be great to take, especially since we're diving into spring. So I'm thinking about all these things as to adding this particular handbag. But again, I want to also take into consideration that it will be a piece that I will have just to add, you know, with other looks. I look forward to hearing all of your thoughts, all of your feedback, all of your opinions down in the comment section below. And hopefully we can come to a decision together. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And I hope to catch you all in my next one. Bye everyone.